Okay, I will say first off, right here, I made a mistake and I put like the date the class ended, and it yelled at me because that's actually more than 30 days outside of the activity that I was trying to do the thing. I forgot what I was saying, but I'm going to just make it so that it's the current date for my rest of my classes rather than when I actually completed them. Because if you haven't filled any of these out for your classes either, then the points won't count, especially towards your relicensure, which you need. I don't necessarily need. Okay, so what I did was I clicked this forms and knowledge points. And then activity title is the title of your class. So pause for a minute. I had to look up my next class I was going to do. So ED 887 is what my class name was, and it was called Developing Authentic Assessments. And then category, it's a service to the profession because it was a class, so service to the profession. Description, and right here, this is where you would write a description. I'll go back and put it in later of what the class was. Number of meetings, I just left it at 1. Meeting date, I'm just gonna make it so that it was like May 5th or something, 2020, just because I can make them all that way. Start time, end time, this part doesn't really matter. I just chose 8 to 8 just because. Location, online. Sub needed, no. Absence, no. So none of that really matters, so just gotta hit no. Provider, so mine is Emporia State University. You would obviously go down and find K-State. If it's not there, you would list it here. All of these were 0.
Can I do album?
Shh, no, because your tablet's almost dead. Okay, points, that's not really what we're going after here. We're going after college credit hours, so mine was 3. And then choose, right here in this one, choose what it fits in which goal. So improve achievement for students is what I'm going to put on this one because that's what assessments was. Relicensure, I didn't put any comments. But yeah, then you'll hit submit. So I'm not gonna hit submit yet until I go up and add that description. And then there's something we have to do after he approves it, but I can't 100% remember. So when that happens, I will let you know. Okay? Okay.